What is Motor Accident Claims Tribunal MACT? Motor Accident Claims Tribunal have been set up by the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988. It's been constituted to produce a speedier remedy to the victims of accidents by automobiles. It is a quasi-judicial body that deals with cases related to motor vehicle accidents and the compensation to be paid for the damage caused. It deals with cases related to motor vehicle accidents, including cases of death or injury caused by the accident. Under the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, the MACT is designated authority for hearing and resolving claims arising from motor accidents. The MACT has jurisdiction over all motor accidents that occurs within its territorial limits and has the power to award compensate the victims or their legal heirs. To make a motor accident claim in India, the victim or their legal heirs must file a claim with the MACT within 2 years from the date of the accident. The claim must be accompanied by relevant evidence such as police reports, medical bills, and witness statements to establish the fault of the other party and the extent of damages suffered. The compensation awarded by the MACT can cover various expenses such as medical expenses, loss of income, and pain and suffering. The compensation amount is determined based on various factors such as the nature and extent of the injury, the age of the victim, and the duration of the disability. Composition. A MACT is presided over by a judicial officer, typically a district judge, who is appointed by the state government. The tribunal may also include assessors who assist the presiding officer in determining the quantum of compensation. Types of claims. MACTs deal with various types of claims arising from motor vehicle accidents, including claims for injury, compensation for bodily injury sustained by victims in accidents, including medical expenses, loss of income, and pain and suffering, claims for death, compensation for the dependents or legal heirs of a deceased victim, including loss of financial support and compensation for emotional distress, claims for property damage, compensation for damage to property, vehicles, buildings, etc., caused by the accident. Procedure. The procedure followed by MACTs is more informal compared to regular civil courts. Claimants can file their cases directly with the tribunal without the need for engaging legal representation, although having a lawyer is advisable for navigating legal complexities. Adjudication. MACTs conduct hearings to examine evidence, hear testimonies from witnesses, and evaluate the extent of loss or damage suffered by the claimant. The tribunal then determines the liability of the parties involved in the accident and awards compensation accordingly. Appeals. Decisions of MACTs can be appealed against in higher courts if any party is dissatisfied with the outcome. The appellate process allows for a review of the tribunal's decision by a higher judicial authority. Overall, MACTs play a crucial role in providing speedy and efficient resolution of motor accident claims, ensuring that victims or their families receive fair compensation for the losses suffered due to road accidents.